Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, the home cook hero, back with a new video for y'all. This is part 2 of our Labor Day drink series, and today I'm making the Orange Crush, which is this drink that I love getting anytime I go to Ocean City in Maryland. And y'all, it's made with fresh orange juice, an orange liquor, like an orange vodka, and triple sec, and then a splash of Sprite. Y'all, this drink right here is a classic for me. I love it, and it's so refreshing, and so I want to share it with y'all. So stick around for the recipe, y'all. Alright, y'all, so for this dish right here, or for this drink, the highlight for me, honestly, is the fresh squeezed orange juice. So I don't have one of those like industrial presses or anything like that, but I do have this kind of like, at home orange citrus juicer thingy thing. So anyway, y'all, you want to just get the juice from 2 large oranges. I like a lot of orange flavor and a lot of orange juice in it, so I'm using 2, but do what you want to do. Then after that, y'all, I am just pouring out the orange juice to the side. The juice from 2 oranges made about a half of a cup, and that worked really well for me. Like I said, I like a little more orange juice in mine, so I'm fine with kind of like, having more orange in it. So y'all, then after that, I just filled my plastic cup with some ice, and I had the plastic cup in the freezer just so it can be kind of chilled, to give it that effect like if I was actually in Ocean City where I love to drink these at. So yeah, I just fill it up with some ice, and then after that, I'm just gonna get to pouring all of the ingredients in, y'all. And like I said, the first time I had this drink is in Ocean City, which is in Maryland. And y'all, this drink is a staple. Every time I go, I always drink these things, and they really get you right. So for Labor Day, y'all definitely should try this out, y'all. And for the liquor, I used some, I think it was Absolute, like the tangerine flavor. You want to make sure you have like a citrus flavor vodka. If you can't find it, you can use regular vodka, but you really want to have like a citrus flavor vodka. So yeah, I went in with about 2 ounces or a shot of the citrus vodka, and then about a half of a shot, so that would be about 1 ounce of triple sec, which is like an orange liqueur. And then lastly, y'all, I topped it off with a little bit of Sprite. I would venture to say maybe about a quarter of a cup of Sprite. So yeah, y'all, this drink is really good, and as you see, we finish it off with a nice fizzy little kick, which is what the Sprite does. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much all I have for this video. I hope y'all like this little short, random Labor Day drink series. I, had a lot of fun making these drinks and drinking them while I'm talking to y'all. But y'all, anyway, if you like this video, let me know in the comments down below. You can hit that like button, and you can even subscribe to this channel, Home Cook Hero, and I'll be uploading new videos weekly, y'all. So if you like this, check out some of my other videos, and I will see y'all in the next video. Later.